Some news you may have missed if you are not reading the Business Courier online every day or following us on Twitter and Facebook. There's a new way to get to Chicago. Ultimate Air Shuttle will begin new service from CVG to the Windy City starting July 28th. The Courier reported last fall that Ultimate Air was looking to add more flights from CVG. Ultimate will fly from Cincinnati to Chicago's Midway Airport 5 days a week. An introductory round-trip fare was priced at $399. A lot of people will be traveling to Cincinnati in July. A full calendar will bring $13 million in economic impact to Cincinnati this month. That's according to the Cincinnati USA Convention and Visitors Bureau. July will bring more than 30,000 meeting attendees who will book nearly 44,000 hotel room nights. The planned conventions include the National Urban League Annual Conference. Many of those visitors will head to Over the Rhine. The owners of popular OTR restaurants Bakersfield OTR and the Eagle announced last week they are taking over the space that was just vacated by Lavomatic Cafe. The concept for the new restaurant has not been finalized yet, but it is expected to open in October. And it seems Cincinnati has two of the best bourbon bars in the country. Japs since 1879 in Over the Rhine and the Old Kentucky Bourbon Bar in Covington both made the list published by the Bourbon Review. Both bars are co-owned by local mixologist Molly Wellman. But when it comes to eating our fruits and veggies, well, we're not doing so well in Cincinnati. Only 1 of 10 adults in Greater Cincinnati is eating his or her veggies, and only 1 in 3 of us eats enough fruit to meet nutritional requirements. This info comes from the Greater Cincinnati Community Health Status Survey sponsored by Interact for Health. So we need to do a little better there.